So we're out here receiving a pallet from Aquascape. This is the first one into this venture. Very happy about it. So let's see. Hey guys, welcome. So we just got our first pallet from Aquascape and we're so excited. This is the medium spear. We're about to put it together. I'll show you the location in a second. As you can see, the garage is loaded with items related to fish, or aquatics I should say, because not only do we do freshwater, we do saltwater, we do ponds, we do water features, we try to do it all. So between me and my boys Jaden and Trey, you know, we try to hit this slope running very hard, and we try to get everything in. So we'll follow us on this adventure and check it out. So guys, this is the front of the house, and we were hoping to put it exactly where that Buddha statue is, being the fact that it was on the right side of the house. You have the walkway here, and then as you come in to your right, you would see the spear. So that's what we're hoping for. Now mind you, we still have to move that heavy statue out of the way, move it over onto the opposite side. We still have to remove some of the vegetation there, and we'll also have to move the LED lights that we have placed in that area for now, and then we'll go from there. So bear with us. So the first thing we're going to be doing is decluttering this area. Obviously you see we have the lights, we have the rocks, so we're going to be relocating the rocks to this another area that we have the same type of rocks, and then as far as the mulch, we're just going to be picking it up and throwing it in the garbage. All right, let me tell you, putting this together ain't easy. Had to get some help from my boys so we can put the rocks in the container. This is just to put some weight into it so people can't knock it over, and also for hurricanes, you know, adds a little bit of weight to it, so I don't have to worry about removing it during a storm, and it helps out. The reason for that pipe that you see going up the middle is so just in case I need to work on the system, I'm able to do it with no problems, and I can pull out the hose and I can run a new one with no problem. All right guys, so we're ready to go ahead and water test this thing to see if it's running correctly.